Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can clear your cache on your incognito mode on Google Chrome. This is something that a lot of people have been looking for, but they still cannot find the answer to it, okay? So if you ever search something on your incognito, okay, no matter what, you still have certain history that was saved behind your search queries, okay? And in this video guys, I'm gonna show you how you can actually delete your cache history. So first thing, you want to go on the search bar, okay guys, and I want you to type with me. First thing, you want to type Chrome, okay? You want to do the two dots next after it, okay? Then you want to do the two slashes on the side. After that you want to include net. Then you want to include dash, and then you want to write internals, another slash, and then you want to click that sign, and then you want to do DNS. This is what and where you guys have to go. When you go on this side over here, you're going to be able to essentially click on the DNS option, and you will have this DNS lookup, okay? So inside you can look for particular domain, or you can simply go down and host resolver cache and simply click on the clear host cache. This is how you're going to clear any data that was previously stored based on your search queries inside the actual incognito mode. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and come back for more.